We'll now speak about data replication. Our documents are spread in the cluster and some servers can be down. So for this, MongoDB proposes an architecture with clients and servers. So we have primary servers and secondary servers. So every writes are done on the primary and all the reads can be done on secondary. But most of the cases are done directly on the primary. So it deals with fault tolerance in order to use this kind of information and to avoid the way that data can be away from the cluster. But when the primary server is down, it will happen, and there are heartbeats between secondaries in order to say that I want this information to be available, and one of the secondary will become directly a primary server. So for this, it's called a replica set and not a standard client-server way to have architecture. So it's a replica set. But what about consistency? The consistency is used in this kind of context just because only the primary server is queried at any time. So we earn the consistency in this kind of vision on the architecture, but we lose availability just because the secondaries are asking the information anytime and your primary server will get every queries on itself every time. So we'll lose availability. To update the information, we'll use the uplog, which is a log file, a log collection inside the primary server, which is replicated directly on the secondaries, only according to the updates inside this uplog.